the day of the turnover of this building. So we're preparing right now. Meron ng mga food. Nice. So ito yung magiging ano dito. Magiging ganap. Mga ano, sewing machines. Kasi mag-ano kami dito. I mean, hindi pala ako kasali. Gagawa ng mga school uniforms for public schools, public students.
Sa putahan nakala ang serbisyong panlipunan at ay buo. Libre na edukasyon, scholas, kinatindugan, kinabukasan.
So guys, may mga items, native products. Native products ni Belle? Native products. Wow. 750, 650.
Okay, sa gawas ka na
And bags. Ay. So, dito mamaya uupo yung mga visitors, sila mayor, sila government officials. Ang gani init, ginidri ka ron. Sabi ko may tent. Hello guys, good morning. So today is the turnover of the new building of the OFW Federation dito sa Bayan ng Mulan. And hindi pa kami nag-start. We're still waiting for our our guests na sina Mayor and iba pa. So sa aming associations in our barangay, dalawa pa lang kami. Ayan si Hana. Dalawa pa lang kami. Then, ganyan na yung mga tao dito. So guys, marami nang dumating. May blessing pa pala before the program. So, ayan na si Father. Sino galing siya kaparihan? Si Father Salvador. Yata yan. Anak. Mistaken. So, inaantay na lang yung si Mayor and other guests today.
Ricky S. Berha. And of course, let us all acknowledge the Regional Director of the Department of Migrant Workers, Region 12. We have Mr. Samsudin T. Lintongan. A round of applause, please. Our board member of North Cotabato 3rd District, Honorable Ivy Marshall A. Galupinas Balido.
Gusto ko mag-video mamaya sa cutting of the ribbon. Pero I need to leave here para kukunin, para i-pick up yung aming food. Tignan ko lang mamaya guys kung makapag-video ako sa cutting of ribbons and sa blessing ng Father.
Good morning, everybody.
Mabungahong morning!
Children. Indeed, what a
Children.
morning to our honorable municipal officials. Hey, I invite everyone to please rise for the invocation.
Thank you, Lord, for this great opportunity. We just want to thank you, Lord, for your goodness, for the OFW sector, Lord, as we are going to turn over and to
take your seats. To formally welcome us and highlight the importance of today's event, Aponado DBM. Let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you.
sa aton nga pinalangga nga gobernador Emilio Lala Talinio Mendoza, sa aton Vice Governor Ella Talinio Taray, our Congresswoman and third district, Congresswoman Maria Elena Santos, and Sam Lintungan, our representative from the OWA. Well, of course, our
Our modern day heroes can fully reintegrate into a local economy. With this dedicated workspace, our dressmakers can fully lay out fabrics, operate sewing machines, conduct trainings, and run a centralized
To have Miss Zara Luis Mahinay, Miss Christine Marie Season, and also Miss Please proceed po muna dito sa front for our photo opportunity. Smile.
Snacks time na. Kaso lang mga kakanin.
Tol ka lang dito, ma.
Ay, sige.
Dahil lagi, mama.
Okay.
Nanay sa lang.
Ay, ayan na.
Ano, grabe yung buko. Kung paano yan ang hindi maano man.
Puro kakanin pa nante.
Ano
Yeah.
ang nami, ano ang
Puro
nami.
ketchup,
Anong yun as in. Ang way lang
Chinta na lang.
Oh, thank you.
So, the provincial governor is here. Governor Lala Talinio Mendoza. Excuse me.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the arrival and the presence of our provincial governor, Honorable Emily Lala Talinio Mendoza, MNSA. A round of applause, please.
Good man.
Your event, the official opening or the ribbon cutting ceremony. May I invite our guest of honor, First Governor Lala Talinio Mendoza, President of the Muang Integrated Overseas Filipino Worker and Family Association President. So please welcome the ribbon cutting. All right, thank you so much.
So, open out, guys.
Open na nila.
We'll take a look inside.
Hello po. Hello po.
Of the ribbon, we officially open the doors of this new building, marking a new chapter of opportunity, unity, and dedication. Thank you, service for our family and their families. Once again, congratulations, everybody.
Dito tayo sa food. Okay, so this is a contribution, no, from all the barangays of Mang. And kami, meron din kami dito. Ito sa amin, no. Kinilaw na tuna, and this one, we ordered this from the restaurant. So, sana, ito kainin namin mamaya, guys. Nice. Hindi, naipagutang sa mama, para namimili si Gob, tapos pinamimigay niya, baka mabigyan pa ako. Kalamansi. I don't like kalamansi. Wow. Mga fruits.
Dali mo ay sa home, kayaan na siya.
Kung sabay na,
Problema sa
So, guys,
hindi magdakpol mi sa pulis.
police car. Ay, police mobile.
Kay pulis ba ang
Emergency response.
Dali ka na tinubos.
Nice, so cute.
Wala problema. Di paano naman ang mga nagabay.
So
Mga dali
nice.
lang nga sila tiruon. Digin tiro, mga
Tagadiin ka mo nga ano. Ay, tawan-tawan, yellow. White.